Hi guys, welcome back. I just want to share something really quick with you guys. It always feels so dark inside this garage, so I picked up a little something. So I picked up these lights off of Amazon. They're supposed to be, I know the box is labeled 100 watt, 6000 K, but the fixture actually says it's 100 watt, 10,000 lume, just like the listing says. Now, these are shop lights or garage lights. That's what they're listed as they're supposed to be. I'm going to be replacing those two up there that are on with these two that are in this box. And so I'll be taking those down and putting up octagon boxes, and these mount into just standard light bulb fixtures. So I can get started on that. Okay, the boxes are spotted. One there and one over there. And they're about where the middle of the light fixture was before. Now, I've got the wires ran into the boxes. So, had an extra long piece and decided, you know what, I'm not going to cut it off so it just goes between the two boxes, like so. I'm going to leave it long, double it over, line staple it to the rafters, zip tie it, so that if I have to move one of these boxes in either direction, I don't have to, completely disconnect stuff and put in new wire. All I gotta do is pop the fixture off, pop out a couple screws, and if I want to, I can move it down there somewhere. Now, my other shop lights, they had, I'd wired them up with plugs on the end for that exact reason. You can see those ones over there. They got ends on them. That's the same thing. You just, pop a couple screws out and you screw them up somewhere else and plug them in. Way easier than hard wiring. So the fixtures are up. Pretty simple wiring. Ground the boxes. White wire, silver screw. Basic grade 9. Electrical. If they even teach that anymore. They don't teach fuck all at high school anymore, it seems. But anyway, basic electrical, guys. They're just standard incandescent bulb fixtures. So these are the lights that I got, and take this out of the package here. So there's two, got two in this box. They were like 50 bucks for two, and I can see them. They got them 4 wings on there. So there's the piece there. That just screws into that standard light bulb socket there. And now these wings, I'll try to do this one-handed. These wings, they unfold into these panels. So there'll be 4 panels, and they're completely adjustable as far as their, inward and outward direction. So that should be pretty good up there. So screw them in. So that's what I was talking about. The panels, they expand, and they can tilt them in and out of the fixture. So I've got the two on the outside, this side and that side, to the left and right. They're tilted back a little bit. The top one is tilted upward. Oh shit. Upward a little bit towards the rafters to project light more across the garage. And the same with the one on the bottom here. It's tilted this way a little bit to also project light across the garage. So give me a second. I'll plug these in and see what happens. All right, so I'm just gonna plug these in, and we'll see just how bright these really are. Oh my God! Yeah, wow, is that ever bright? That's just 2 of those. So whenever I get around to actually renovating this garage, I'm thinking probably 5 of those lights down each side. This garage is what, 26 or 8 feet. Yeah, 5 of them lights probably down each side, properly focused, will be plenty bright enough to paint just about anything in this dingy old garage. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped somebody out. I think I'm really going to enjoy these new LED lights.